So this is what I get to wake up to every morning in the weekends, and I'm so grateful for that. I don't know if you can hear the birds. This is so precious, and I'm gonna do a bit of yoga. I did some meditation already, then yoga, then a bit of workout, and then I'll get a smoothie. Hi guys, so welcome to this new vlog. It's a new type of vlog, and I just finally decided to speak in English in some vlogs, because I think, well, by now in 2018 most of the people know English, so that shouldn't be too hard for people to understand, yeah, most of what I'm saying. And I thought that way maybe I could expand my channel a little bit and reach more people, because I think there are so many messages, so many important things I want to talk about and share with you guys. So, of course, my English is not perfect at all. I spent a bit of time abroad in English-speaking countries, but yeah, my English is not perfect, so please be lenient, and also, let me know, correct me on some grammatic issues or whatsoever. Yes, and I think what I'll do is I'll make one special playlist for the videos where I'm speaking in English. And yes, if some of you guys are interested in translating some of them into French or any other languages, just feel free to do so, and that help will be much appreciated. So thank you guys. So there is this board here where I wrote a couple of things. It's basically a list that I heard in a guided meditation, and basically it says, did you do those 7 things during the day? So did you sleep and have a good rest, a refreshing sleep? Did you do physical exercise? Did you have an active body? Did you concentrate? Did you focus on what really matters to you? Did you spend some inner time, so that is to say meditating, introspection? Did you have some time for yourself, so that's being present in the moment? Then did you play? Did you have fun, and without caring about anything else, just having fun? And finally, did you connect with people? Did you spend time with the people you love? So I think that's a great list to check what you did during the day, and that really helps you to focus on things that are really healthy for you. Yeah, so I think that would be nice to share it with you. Okay, so now I'm going to do what is called oil pulling. So I don't know if you ever heard about it, but oil pulling, and especially with coconut oil, is really beneficial also for your general immune system, or for just your mouth hygiene, and for your skin, for basically a lot of things. It's not really been proven, but supposedly it helps for a lot of things. So I do that so I just take about a teaspoon of coconut oil, put it in my mouth, and yeah, just let it in my mouth, mix for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do that while I shower, and then you just rinse your mouth with water, and that's it. And you can do it for a limited time or every day, it doesn't matter. Just when you wake up, basically, that's the easiest time for me. So now I'm going to make myself a smoothie, and I think I'll link the ingredients down below. And yeah, but I guess you can pretty much figure out how to make it just by seeing the So I'm now going into this organic shop for some groceries. A lot of the food is packed, but I'm going to get fruit and vegetables without packaging, of course. I really don't understand why cabbage or spinach or whatever should be packed. Okay, so I just got out of the organic shop. The only two things I bought were a cookie that was vegan and not packed, not in packaging, and then parsley, because it was also not packaged. Yeah, but I didn't buy anything else because everything was really expensive compared to other organic shops, and yeah, that was really expensive. And what else did I want to say? A lot of packaging, really expensive. And yeah, when you get the products, you have to weigh them on a scale, and then there's a price tag that get out of the machine, and you have to stick the price tag on the product, and that's just generating another waste. So that's why I didn't get anything else. So this is what I came back with. There's the parsley here that was tightened with an elastic band that I just left in the shop, so they have, you know, more elastic bands for other parsley. And then I got this cookie that looks really, really yummy, and it's, yeah, I don't know if you can really see, I have to focus, but it's filled with like nugget crispy stuff, and yeah, it just looks delicious, so I think I'm gonna enjoy that. So this is the result of my raw Buddha bowl that I made for myself for lunch. So lots of raw foods. I put some cucumber in there, some raw sweet potato, some purple carrots, some orange carrots, some leek, parsley, teeny tiny cherry tomatoes, and one sweet pickle, yeah, and a bunch of parsley. And then I added some sunflower seeds and some hemp seeds as well. And now I'm just going to make a nice sauce to go with this. Okay, so to go with the raw Buddha bowl, I made a nice sauce with a bit of soya sauce, some ginger, some turmeric, some garlic powder, peanut butter, some onions, paprika powder, and a little bit of water. And I think that's it.